So there we're going to do this task like where we have this application, and in this application you can see we have some text box where you can write something, and we have a submit button. Once you will click on it, it will generate some of the colors generated by your GPT model, and those colors will be generated here. You will see the code. Whenever we talk about the color, we normally get RGB. That means like whenever we talk about the RGB colors, so these colors seems to be like in this form are red, green, blue, and our code is something like where we use the value from 0 to 9 A to F. What I mean, I just tell you. um, RGB colors values, I should say this. I hope most of you will be aware about it. So normally whenever you need to give any value, it comes like that. This time this color that you are watching, this is RGB value, right? On the basis of it, it is blue. Similarly, like you would like to see these values, can you see this? These first two digits are for RGB. I also want to do this thing in my my project where we want to generate the colors. But colors, if you want to give specifically by your own, that's one thing. On the other hand, you say is, for example, you want Italian flag, or I say, okay, Italian flag colors, right? And clicking on submit. Once I click on it, it will generate the Italian color for me, and it will be broadcasting at the back. Work properly. Otherwise, it should show at the back. Okay, we got error. Okay, quota is again the issue. Can you share your key? Any one of you? Because like I have already exceeded this. Maybe like I opened that one whole night. I didn't stop last night, so it will be in the working state. That's why it's collapsed. So this time, if I show you this uses, okay, like how much I used, not visible here. First March is here. We have this quota. All right, not here. Yes, is anyone sharing? Okay, please try. Okay, thank you. So make sure we have this configuration file. I hope you all are aware about it. .env file. We created in the last class as well, like with me. And once I will provide this key here, will update. From this key, it will be extracted and will go in this file. If you remember, we were using .env. I tried to make it up. This .env underscore values. By that, we can extract my env file. From this object, we can ask for OpenAI API key. We got my API key, and we will pass this API key in OpenAI. By that, we are going to create this website. This website is here. Website is just like nothing, that's like a Flask application. It's not a complete web application. But yes, we just generated one page, and we'll try to execute this code just by clicking on this play button. Now this time is still, it is going to show the quota issue. Don't know why it is happening here. Need to restart. Anyways, guys, let's try to do this from the basics. We'll again raise up this thing. Till then, I do one thing. This was my old key I didn't saved. I need to check that one here. All right, no problem, no worries, guys. For now, you do one thing. Very first, we need this ID, right? And please install the Visual Studio. Just go back to your app, this browser, and just download. Just write down download Visual Studio Code, right? Once you will click on the Visual Studio Code, you will get that kind of environment or this kind of links. Just click on it. And you can download for your machine. In my machine, this was Mac. I clicked on it. Otherwise, you can go on in Windows if you are on the Windows, because this is ID that can help you to write down your code and you can execute in the same environment. Please do this. Please let me know if you're ready with your Visual Studio Code. I think it should work in your case because I'm continuously using. You can see sending request too quickly. All right, so I shared one zip file with you. Just open it, and once you will open this Visual Studio, you will be able to upload this project here. So guys, others as well, like if you have unzipped that file, I shared in the WhatsApp group. Just open this project, right? That project will seems to be like this. Like this is a zip file that I shared, and once you will unzip that one, you will get that folder. Just do the double click on it or do the right click and extract all. In my case, I will not have extract all, but if you're using Windows, you will have the option extract all. After extracting, you will get this folder where you have this file. You don't need to do anything, just extract it. Then after, in the Visual Studio Code, this application, this ID that you will be watching, you need to click on the file and open folder. That's it. Please do this quickly, and then after, let me know. Or you do one thing like Sonam, you please share your screen and show us. No problem. Just leave it. You can just upload that one directly from the Visual Studio Code. Where is your VS Code? Just open that one. This is showing in the half screen. Okay, thank you. Just click on the file menu. Okay, you have done that one automatically. Just click on the file at the top in the menu bar. No, at the top. Menu. Just leave that one. Do it once again. Yes, click on the file. Open folder. Guys, for others as well, you can see that once you will click on the file, then after open folder, click here. You will get that this project. Okay, just select that one, this project, and just select folder. That's it, guys. You need to open the folder just by clicking on file and open folder. Once you will do that, your complete project will be in this in this area. Now it is already there, so you can check it out. Very first .env file. Can you please open this .env file? You need to change your key here. Like you, this is Sonam's keys, right? So you can just change your key here as whatever the key you have on the other place. Copy from there and paste. In my case, my quota is already occupied. That is why it is not showing to the controllers. You can see at the top it was showing the white button or the black button, dot, not button, that was dot. So you just need to save it by saying controllers, right? Let's move on to the next file, that is app.py. This file is nothing. Very first, it is going to extract your API key from the same env file. Env file to which we call configuration file. In the configuration file, your API key is saved. We are going to extract the key and we are going to use in OpenAI. After that, all the code that we have written, this is Flask. Flask is basically used for developing the websites. Right now, we are not going to learn that thing. You just enjoy this code first. I will explain you later about that. But right now, the rest of code is about to generate the colors. Just like we are giving some example to GPT, like convert the following verbal description of color palette into a list of color. And we have given this RGB colors, right? If I am asking this question, answer should be this, right? So we just need to give some example. For now, you just leave that. And Sonam, can you please execute? So guys, we have this a website that we have created. At the top, you can see, okay, start debugging, Python debugger. Yeah, you could do directly as well from the play button. Don't worry. Now you can see some issues here. Okay, going to execute again. So it is going to use your browser, right? Any local browser where you will get this HTTP link. You just need to open that link into your browser. What happened? This is going to give you address only. Some error occurred. Okay, you don't have this package. Okay, if you don't have this package, in that case, can you please open the folder once again? Stop this and go back. No, in the in your Explorer, the yellow folder outside, not there. Yes, in this folder you can see there should be some packages. Yeah, the last doc is here, packages. Just open this one. Yes. So guys, since you don't have these packages, that is why it was not showing you. But in the packages you can see pip3 install python -env. Please install this one. Copy this and go back to VS Code. Yes, install. Paste here. No, no, no. Inside there, in the same one, in the terminal. Yes, paste here. Enter. You're going to install this package. We need the .env. It is not doing pip3. Just go with pip. Maybe like in your case, it will be only pip. Just paste once again. Yeah, and remove 3. Pip install python-env. Guys, please, others also, you please do the same thing. You need to open the for this project in the VS Code, and then after install the package. This is really very interesting. DOT, the same thing that is written, the package name, python hyphen dot env. Enter. Yes, it is going to start install. Move to the next package. What is the next package here in the file? The next is Flask. You need to install another package, Flask. Pip install Flask. Copy this and paste it. Again, instead of pip3, you use pip. In my case, it was pip was required. It will move step by step. Move back. Similarly, you need to install another package. Please, others also do the same thing.
हेलो।
Hello.
नमस्कार सर, ब्लू स्टार से बात कर रहा था। एसी की सर्विस के लिए भेजो सर, आज रहने दो।
क्या नाम है सर आपका?
मोहन मेरा नाम है सर मेरा।
यार एक बात बताओ, हमने इसको कोई कंप्लेन तो रेज करी नहीं थी या ना कोई रिक्वेस्ट करी थी इसके लिए?
सर वो कंपनी से आई है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। अगर आपको ये कंप्लेंट नहीं करी तो मैं इसको कैंसिल कर देता हूँ, अगर आपको कोई डाउट।
नहीं वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन अभी तक ऐसा होता है ना, मैंने ब्लू स्टार में बात करी तो कह रहा है कि जब तक हम आपकी रिक्वेस्ट नहीं आती तब तक हम भेजते नहीं किसी को।
तो सर ये कंपनी से फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट आई, ऑटोमेटिक जनरेट आती है, ऑटोमेटिक होती है
भाई
पीएमएस अपना
मैं समझ गया आपकी बात को कि फ्री आती हैं, साल में 2 होती है हमारी सर्विस,
जी
राइट? उस चीज़
जी।
का वेंडर को पता लगता है, बट मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ, ये आपने रेस करी है या फिर गौरव ने करी है, रामा वाले ने?
सर ये गौरव ने नहीं करी, वो पीछे से कंपनी से पीएमएस आती है, कंपनी से जिस कस्टमर की सर्विस होती है वो पीछे से कंपनी से
चलो
आती
ठीक
है।
है, आप आधे घंटे में भेज देना। वो जो बंदा आएगा ना उसको आधार कार्ड के साथ जरूर भेजना, ठीक है?
आधार कार्ड।
हाँ,
ठीक है सर,
मतलब
ओके।
आइडेंटिफिकेशन अपनी ये हो कि भाई आप
मैं
कहाँ से
समझ
आए हो।
गया, कोई नहीं सर,
हाँ
कोई नहीं सर, आई कार्ड भी भेज दूंगा लड़के के पास, और
ठीक है भाई, ठीक है, आधे घंटे में
और
भेज।
बट सर कॉल उठा लेना लड़के का ना।
हाँ आप भेज देना, यहाँ पर बुरे ये जो है ना शरदन पारा के पास में ही है, पूछ
जी
लेना,
जी।
ठीक है?
ठीक है सर, ठीक
ओके,
है, ओके।
ऑलराइट, तीन हो गए। नाउ इंस्टॉल अगेन, रीरन। At the top you can see the play button. Still OpenAI API key is not okay. This is key error. Open. Okay, okay. Just copy this OpenAI underscore API key. Key error. Copy this and go back to env file. This is same. Oh, what the issue? The client palette client OpenAI. You got that thing. Why so? It is no exited with code 1 in 3.5858 seconds. Okay, just close this one. and show me the Python file. No, 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 not this one. I'm just talking about this file. Go back to app.py. Okay, there we have .env. That's fine. We are going to pick it up again. The client we got from that. That's fine. Do one thing. Re-execute this code. Close this. We have already saved that one. Clear all out output. Yes. No, it is not able to pick that one. OpenAI API key. It is same. Anyways, I just show that. Please others, you please do this. I'm just sharing my screen. This seems to be strange. So guys, what exactly you need to do? See, you have this code there with us, that is app.py, in which our work is to pick this env file, right? Env file is an environment file here. It must be in the local, and that you can see we have in the local. And whenever you do, you will just pick this config of this OpenAI API key. You can see in this environment file we have OpenAI underscore API underscore key, and the same thing you want to pick. You are giving the same name, it is going to pick. Sonam, in your case it is okay, but don't know like why it is not able to pick that. We'll check that thing once again. But right now guys, we need this API key, and we will attach this key with the OpenAI, right? By doing this, we will be able to get my application that you may check. In our case, we are stucking on the quota because I used it multiple times. Otherwise, it's a beautiful application in which you will keep on asking any questions, any color. It will be reflecting at the back in the form of slides. That means like at the back, it will be the slides form. Okay, like all the colors. Let's say like I have 4, 5, 6 colors. It will be broadcasting at the back. You say so today I am feeling bad. I need the bad colors. I need to get that one, any colors of say a Airbnb or something like that. You can ask any query, it will keep on giving that thing. But don't know, like maybe like I just made it open for the whole night and it got multiple requests. That is why it is not going to show us. But ensure me, have you downloaded this VS Code, rest of other Vikas and Kapil? Okay, you please try to execute this code once again. We can do Control C to exit and clear for clearing this. Even I try to do this again because so there you can see I have opened once again. This is my VS Code. On this palette on the top this side, if I will click, I will get my open folder. Even though if I am not getting, I can go to the file and there we will have the open folder. I'm going to open this folder once again. This project is in my downloads. I'm going to pick this folder. Okay, one more thing, Sonam. You were watching at the bottom some configuration file. Some notification will come at the bottom. You skip that one. Next time it will show you at that time install. Sometimes it gives you recommendation like you need to install these packages or those plugins. At the bottom it will show configuration something came and you immediately close that one. So next time it came, so please install that. Alright, so I have opened this project once again and I'm retrying. So I have my app.py, my main code part is here, while env file is here, which tell me about my keys, right? And this time OpenAI API key. I just want to try both of them. I think both are same. Just like this, you will get the notification, but this notification is for GitHub Copilot. I hope ma'am is already discussing about Microsoft Copilot. No, that is not required. But anyways, this is my key that I was discussing, and I'm going to apply this by executing this code. You can see in my case it is going to start. Everyone please pay attention here. So once you will see this is so HTTP 127.0.0.01. I hope you will be already aware about IP addresses. Whenever you open any website, at the back we have IP address. Right now I want to use my local machine as my server. So you can see you can just copy that one directly here, 127.0.015,000, and it will show you this project, right? I say something, try Airbnb Summit. I am trying to change key that was provided by you. Insufficient quota is here in my key. I am going to replace that one once again and we'll try once again. If it works well, then fine. Otherwise, we'll move to the any other project. You can see at the top, I have this black dot watching. This is indicating it is not saved. Don't forget to save this by saying Control S. When I do Control S, now re-execute this. Still, it is not closed. Clear. Re-executing. Again, getting. Either I can click on this directly, right? It is going to open this application directly for me. Ah, I got it. I said any colors, and you can see the code on this. Are you watching? This is there. And now you says I what Kashmir, what Kashmir like colors, anything you are saying. So something related to the that culture, Kashmir, right? What else? Like you want to know about any Germany, German flag? We there are also three are there: red, yellow, and black. Black, red. It can be anything here or there, but we have these three colors are there. Amazing, guys. I think that will work for you. Just start open this and let's try to explore that one. And let me know because are you able to do this or not? Uh, and make sure like once you're done you can see we are sending the request onto the GPT and we are getting the revert back. Once you are not using, immediately do the control C. Please everyone, control C, otherwise it will keep on consuming your these API. Please try to do that to clear and stop this by saying control C. Yeah, please. Okay, so in your case, I think this is about python.env. You are not able to install. Remove the pip3. Write down pip only. Pip install. Use the up arrow key. You have the up arrow key. Yes, just pip install python -env. Still okay. Hold on, you are in the Flask app. Okay, it is saying pip install python -env. It's correct, but the issue is I'm not able to see properly after unit operator hyphen. Can you please copy this error and paste in the chat box? Sonam, are you able to access that one? Are you able to see the output? Please do this.